We're not going to try to use Netcat to use DNS directly, as I said, but we can use a program called dig that will use DNS and tell us what it finds out. So if I go to my terminal and I say dig www.cs.utah.edu, it contacts some suitable server with the request about this name and gets this answer back. You can see the output from dig has our question again, but it also has the answer here that www.cs.edu maps to a CNAME, this name here. So CNAME doesn't give us the actual address. It just says when you wanted to contact that name, it's the same as trying to contact this other name. Dig and DNS anticipate then that we would want to know what this other name maps to. So it also gives us a couple of answers for that name. It can be this number or this other number. And we get two numbers back because this particular service is set up, replicated by at least two servers, and it's okay to ask either of them. You're supposed to get the same answer back. If you don't, that would just mean a misconfiguration of DNS or of the servers or something like that. So when we want to talk to www.cs.utah.edu, I might contact this machine here according to the DNS results. I could ask about cs.utah.edu without the www, and you see I will get its different answers back. It says if you're trying to contact that machine, you should go to this address. Suppose I wanted to send email to cs.utah.edu. It turns out that's not the one that I want to contact. DNS has built into it this idea that there are different services, and MX is the mail exchanger service. And so if I ask for cs.utah.edu, but specifically for MX, then I get a different answer back. It says if you want to send mail to that address, you should contact this server over here, or equivalently, this other server over here. And you see it's an MX record instead of a CNAME or an A record because it's different kind of services. You can imagine email working in different ways, more like a web server where you contact a different name like mail.cs.utah.edu. But for historical reasons and different strategies for different kinds of problems, the notion of different services is also built into DNS.